We are making pilau today, so first boil your meat with salt, black pepper and ginger. Ginger helps the meat to become more soft. Then add water. Trust me, the pilau is more delicious when your meat is soft. You will need onions. From me, I'm using 3 onions. Then green pepper, 1 is enough. Then you'll need ginger and then garlic. For spices, we'll need 1 teaspoon of pilau masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper cloves, and then cinnamon stick. You can buy it in that packet at any supermarket. Then you will need cubes and then cumin. For the cumin, we're just going to need 1 teaspoon of it. Just put it in a bowl. Now all our ingredients are ready: the garlic and ginger, the pepper, the onions, the cumin. Just add water in that bowl. Then we have our spices ready. Now let's see if the meat is soft. Just take a small piece and put it on a plate. Just cut it in between to see if it is soft or it's still hard. As you can see, mine is still hard. I have to take it back, then add more water. Ladies, you don't have to eat the meat for you to know if the meat is soft. Just take a small piece, cut it in between. When you see like your meat is soft, add water in the meat and let it boil for a little bit. This is the water that we're going to use when we are cooking our rice. Now let's start to cook. Put oil in a pot. Once the oil is hot, add garlic and ginger. When the garlic and ginger is brownish, now we can add the onions and then cook them until the onions are brownish. When the onions are golden brown, now we can add the meats and then cook them together so that they can become brown at the same time. After the meat and onions are brownish, now let's add the green pepper, then cook for around 5 minutes before we add the other spices. Now let's add the spices: the cubes, the cinnamon sticks, and the pilau masala. Time to add the potatoes. We are almost done, guys. So when you add the potatoes, just give it a stir, then cover it up for about 3 minutes. This will help you to, when you add the rice, the potatoes and the rice are going to be ready at the same time. Time to add rice, guys. Just give it a stir for like about 1 minute. This will help the rice to not stick on the pot. Now you can add the water we boiled the meat with. If the water is not enough, you can still add just the normal hot water in the rice. For me, I don't use a cup to measure. I just add when the water is around upper level more than the rice. That is fine, because it's always easy to add water than to reduce water from your food. When the water has reduced, now you can cover the food with a piece of cloth. This will help the steam to go in the food nicely, and the food is just going to taste amazingly. After that, our food is ready.